Question 6. The following table gives the signs of the first and second derivatives of a function y equals f of x for different values of x. Which of the following is a possible sketch of y equals f of x? Let's analyze this table of signs. When x is equal to -2, the value of the first derivative, f dash of x, is positive. That means that the gradient of the tangent to the curve where x equals -2 is positive. And the value of the second derivative, f double dash of x, is negative. And that means that the curve is concave down in the region around where x equals -2. When x is equal to 0, f dash of x is equal to 0, which indicates a stationary point where x equals 0. And the value of the second derivative is also 0. And that may mean that there's a point of inflection at x equals 0. And a point of inflection represents a change of concavity from left to right. In other words, the concavity changes around the point where x equals 0. Continuing on, when x is equal to 2, the value of the first derivative is positive, and the value of the second derivative is also positive, which indicates that the curve is concave up in the region where x equals 2. Now, only one of the options has all these characteristics shown, and that's option C. We can see that the curve is concave down here, the curve is concave up here, so there's a change of concavity somewhere in this region, and that occurs at the origin. There's also a stationary point at the origin as well. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.